Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Legit. I hope you're keeping well and staying indoors in these crazy COVID-19 times. The video I want you guys to see today was a crazy live stream from Harris Khan, also known as Convict Kennels, with a lot of Z's instead of S's, as you can imagine. Nearly 2,500 people watched it live as he was streaming. Most were very critical of his actions. A lot of them told him just to give himself up, pull the car over, or to crash into a wall. Anyway, I want to know your thoughts on this video at the end, down in those comments below. Finally guys, stay indoors, watch videos, and protect the NHS. Enjoy the video.
Oh, there we go. Fucking got these motherfuckers on my case again. Try and say I've got warrant on my name. I drove off. Fuck 'em. Now watch, bear car's gonna pull up now though. You know what, I ain't stopping for shit though. You suck my dick. Yeah, go on, follow me then. I don't give a shit. Fucking pull a chase off anyway. Oh, let me see. Fucking not much fuel on there anyway, so let me get flying over. Hey, fuck these motherfuckers anyway though. Look, another car pulling up there though. Let me get past this one anyway though. I'll get past this one anyway. See you later, mate. Yeah, fuck you though. Yeah, man, fucking in a chase now though. Fuck these, I don't know seatbelt. I don't need a seatbelt. Two cars behind me as well. Fuck these are pulling me off for anyway, bruv. Crashing, look, another car there. Yeah, is it like that? Fuck that, bruv. And this way anyway then. Fuck these lot. Yeah. Fuck these lot, man. 3 cars behind me already, still. Fucking hell. Fucking, there's about 4 behind me now. Rastafari. Shit. You don't think I'm jokes though? Yo, they're coming cracks here. I saw Wickham though, still. Oh, this can please try and chase me and shit though. Can they fuck off anyway? Yo, I don't want to talk to you, man. Fuck off, mate. What's up? Mate, go on, fuck off, mate. What the fuck? They all behind me for? Yo. Man's getting chased though, still. Fuck's sakes, man. Yo, should I lose him now? Fuck it, man. Do you know what? Lose him now, though. Fuck these motherfuckers, yeah? I'm gonna lose these motherfuckers now, still. Fuck these police, man. I've got odds, yeah? Fucking gone. Watch. Watch me lose these fucking Joes anyway, yeah? Trust me. Watch. Lose these motherfuckers still, though. See you later, mate. Man's gone, yeah? 1 car behind me still, yeah? Yo, I lose this fucking little prick anyway, watch. Still 1 car behind me though, yeah? Fuck him. No, nearly crashed into that. Wait. See you later. They're coming back this way. Oops, oopsie daisy. Get away, mate. Fucking lose this fucking prick though. See how quick he is anyway, yeah? You see how quick this fucker is, yeah? Come on there, mate! Come on there, mate! You see how fucking quick you are? Yeah, fuck off in your little fucking photo, yeah? Fucking, yo, yeah, man. Get the fuck away, man. Fuck off, mate! I'm gonna lose you still! Fuck off! Whoa! Yeah! Fuck off, yeah? Gone. Yo, straight through, boom, yeah, trust me, man, I'm gonna wait around, yeah, I ain't waiting around for shit, yeah, trust me, I ain't waiting around for shit, lad, yeah, trust me, man, straight through, come on, put your fucking foot down, go on, yo, this car's bare slow, oh yeah, the ass speed, yeah, done them one now though, look, no cars behind me now though, still, yo, do you know what, yeah, put the red lights, yeah, gone, boom, yeah, fuck them, yeah. trust me. Fed. Suck my dick. I'm gonna lose them still. Watch. Lose these motherfuckers still though. Trust me, they come to tracks, yeah? That's what wake them though still. Where the fuck are the feds now? Where are they? Still behind me, right on me. I'm fucking flipping out though. What's this now? There's another one. Fuck him. Yo. Fucking losing little trolleys anyway though. That's all day though. What? Wait, you know what? Slow down for speed camera anyway though. 30. Oh. Oh shit, they're fucking behind me still though. Yo, let's put my foot down! Yo! Fuck these motherfuckers though. Shit. Speed cameras fucked me up though. Fuck them. No fucking fire behind me now. Fucking lost it straight though, innit? Watch. Watch, let me go around this corner here, watch. I'll trolley these motherfuckers straight though. Watch. Straight on there. Boom! Yo, fuck them, yeah? Fuck these motherfuckers, yeah? Trust me, man. All day long. All day, every day. Fuck behind me still though. Now they're coming, yeah. I need to get out and run off now though. Fucking behind me now, this one now though. I've got T-pipe behind me now though. This motherfucker's getting a bit serious though. Shit, I missed my turning, so I'll take this one in there. Shit. T-pipe behind me now though. Fuck him. Oh shit, they lost it. Fuck, T-pipe behind me now though. Like, you gonna fucking chase me and shit, go on then. Fuck him. Slap though. Go on there, mate. Fucking chase me up though. Slow off, fuck. Yeah, I'm cruise mode, yeah. Let me get out of here, yeah? I'm gonna fucking lose these trolleys anyway, okay? How many cars there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 I can count though. Come on, mate. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Fucking beat you, let me see what they do. Oh yeah, fucking hell. You got these fucking things. You wanna fuck off now? You wanna fuck off now? What's up? Can you fuck off? I don't want to talk to you, man. What's up? Yeah, these Joey's gonna look. Oh, that man thinks he's gonna get in front of me on there. Fuck that, yeah, I'm gonna lose him from here though. Watch. From here, yeah, but I don't know what is this shit though, still. You're gonna fucking stop me from here though. I'm gonna stop you, but my fucking juice runs out anyway. Woo! Yeah, fuck off, mate. Dickhead. I need them to get scared anyway. The little Joey's these fucking police though. Man, a soldier, not like these little fucking Joeys though. Man, a fucking troll up on me anyway, straight. Fuck off now. Yo, I'm getting banned though today though. Fuck's sakes. Yo, fucking my juice is running out as well though. Fuck's sakes, man. There fucking feds are behind me though. I'm gonna hit the fucking motorway now though. No fucking tracks though. Fuck, that's not fucking tracks though. Hey, fuck these motherfuckers. So don't carry go. Yo, fuck these though. I think they're jokes. Yo, no, fuck you lot up anyway, man. Fuck off. Go home. Tell you to go home. Oi, oi. Hey, the entourage. Can you fuck off now? How many followers I've got behind me now? Fucking hell. Yeah, feds. Hey, don't come now. Hey. You are gonna Fuck off position. Yeah, blocked me, huh? Straight. I ain't gonna crash my car though, fuck that. These have got me now though. There you go. Yo, finish this.